Hello, my friend, and welcome back to 24/7 Talk English. Today's lesson is part 3 of our Daily 50 Sentences series. And in this episode, we will learn 50 of the most useful daily English phrases that you can use at home, at work, in conversations, and in everyday life. You will listen, repeat, shadow, and speak with me throughout the lesson. These sentences are simple, natural, and perfect for daily communication. So sit comfortably, relax your shoulders, take a deep breath, and let's begin. Part 1. Listen to all 50 sentences. Listen first. Just let the sentences enter your mind. 1. I just woke up. 2. I'm getting ready. 3. Give me a minute. 4. I'll be right there. 5. What's the plan for today? 6. I'm on my way. 7. I reached safely. 8. I'm a little busy right now. 9. I'll call you back. 10. Can you help me with this? 11. I appreciate your help. 12. That makes sense. 13. I didn't understand that. 14. Can you explain again? 15. I'm trying my best. 16. I'll do it later. 17. I'm almost done. 18. Let's take a break. 19. I need some fresh air. 20. I'm feeling better now. 21. What do you think? 22. That sounds good. 23. I agree with you. 24. I don't think so. 25. Let's decide together. 26. I'm hungry. 27. I'll make something to eat. 28. Let's go out for dinner. 29. I need some water. 30. I'm full now. 31. What's going on? 32. Everything is fine. 33. I'm not sure about that. 34. Let me check. 35. I'll let you know. 36. That's interesting. 37. I didn't expect that. 38. It happens. 39. Don't worry about it. 40. Take your time. 41. I'm leaving now. 42. I'll see you soon. 43. I'll text you later. 44. Drive safely. 45. Keep me updated. 46. I trust you. 47. I really appreciate that. 48. It's getting late. Let's talk tomorrow. 49. Have a great day. Great. Now let's repeat them together.
Part 2. Repeat after me, slow and clear. Repeat each sentence after me. I just woke up. I'm getting ready. Give me a minute. I'll be right there. What's the plan for today? I'm on my way. I reached safely. I'm a little busy right now. I'll call you back. That makes sense. Can you explain again? I'm trying my best. Let's take a break. I need some fresh air. I'm feeling better now. What do you think? That sounds good. I agree with you. I don't think so. Let's decide together. I'm hungry. I'll make something to eat. Let's go out for dinner. I need some water. I'm full now. What's going on? Everything is fine. I'm not sure about that. Let me check. I'll let you know. That's interesting. I didn't expect that. It happens. Don't worry about it. Take your time. I'm leaving now. I'll see you soon. I'll text you later. Drive safely. Keep me updated. I trust you. I really appreciate that. It's getting late. Let's talk tomorrow. Have a great day. Excellent job. Part 3. Shadowing Practice. Speak with me. Follow my rhythm. I'm getting ready. Give me a minute. I'll be right there. I'm on my way. I'm a little busy right now. I'll call you back. That makes sense. Can you explain again? I'm trying my best. Let's take a break. I need some fresh air. What do you think? That sounds good. Don't worry about it. I'll see you soon. Great work. Part 4. Many conversations using these sentences. Conversation 1. Are you ready? Give me a minute. Okay, I'll wait. Conversation 2. Can you help me with this? Sure, what do you need? I didn't understand that part. No problem. I'll explain again. Conversation 3. What do you think? That sounds good. Great. Let's do it. Conversation 4. I'm leaving now. Drive safely. Thank you. See you soon. Repeat these short dialogues with me. Are you ready? Give me a minute. Okay, I'll wait. I'm on my way. See you soon. What do you think? That sounds good. Don't worry about it. I'm on my way. I'm a little busy right now. I'll call you back. What's going on? Everything is fine. I'm not sure about that. Let me check. I'll let you know. What's the plan for today? I'll do it later. I'm feeling better now. I'm trying my best. Let's take a break.
Part 5. Pronunciation and Rhythm Training. Repeat slowly and clearly. Give me a minute. I'll be right there. I'm almost done. I appreciate your help. Let me check. I'll let you know. Keep me updated. Take your time. Drive safely. Have a great day. Great! Part 6. Confidence sentences. Repeat proudly. I am improving every day. I speak clearly. I can use daily English confidently. I am becoming more fluent. I enjoy practicing English. Beautiful! You have completed Daily 50 Sentences, Part 3. These sentences are useful, natural, and perfect for real daily conversations. Practice this lesson again tomorrow, and your English will become smoother, faster, and easier. Thank you for learning with 24/7 Talk English. I'll see you in the next lesson.